Excuse me, how can I help you? You have been standing here for quite a long time.
Oh, my house is over there, but I can't cross the road. Cars run so fast.
I see. The traffic here is always trouble. Do you want me to cross the road with you?
That is great. Thanks a lot. It's very kind of you.
You are welcome. I like to help other people, especially the elderly and children.
You are a good girl.
You make me miss my grandmother. I haven't seen her for years.
Why?
Because she lives abroad with my auntie. I think I will come home and make a video call with her right away.
You should do that, girl. I'm sure your grandmother will be very happy.
Thank you. Can you come home alone?
Of course.
Excuse me? Yes, what can I do for you? Can you show me the way to the shopping center? I need to buy a gift for my parents. Let me see. It is quite far from here. Why don't you take a bus? I think it will be more convenient. But I don't know which bus passes by the shopping center. You can get in the bus number 25. It will take you about 20 minutes. Oh, that is a good idea. Let's sit here and wait for the bus. Okay, thank you.